Right now, they're all lined up at the end of the runway. They're checking their G-suit harnesses. They're checking their lap belts, making sure that they're all connected, making sure that everything is connected before they take off. Because once those jets take off, they don't have any opportunity to start checking stuff once they start flying 18 inches apart. And here they go. Smoke on, ready now. Thunderbirds 1 through 4 will take off in the diamond formation. That's air power, baby.